Hey guys, Katie here from Naturally Creative Mama and from The Mama Shop on Etsy, and I wanted to just make a quick video and share with you guys what is coming soon to my Etsy shop. I'm super excited about this one. It's actually been a few months in the works, but I'm glad that it's finally coming. So, as most of you know, in my Etsy shop, if you follow it, or if you've followed me on YouTube before, you know that I do a lot of home decor items in my Etsy shop, specifically hand-painted wood signs. And I do custom baby work as well, blankets, burp cloths, teethers, but I don't usually keep those stocked in my shop. They're just through request. So I wanted to make something for those of you crafters out there who want to do things on your own but don't have the supplies or the tools you need to do it. So what I am going to have soon in my Etsy shop is a craft kit, and I am super excited about this. So let me just show you what comes in the kit. So basically, your kit is going to be to make your own wood sign. So you can paint your lettering, you could get a stencil, either vinyl stencil or one you find at Hobby Lobby or Joann's or Michael's, and you can use that to make your sign. But it will be available in two different sizes. So let me just show you the comparison here. So this one is the larger size, and it's a roughly 9-inch square sign. And this one, the smaller size, is roughly 7.5 inches square. So you'll have two options as far as the kit goes. And your kit comes with everything you need, so let me show you. The first thing you're going to get in your kit is your piece of wood. Now this one is the larger sign size. So it's a larger piece of wood, but it is unfinished. It's 3/4 inch wood, premium wood, and it is rock solid. So it's been cut but not sanded. And then along with this, you're going to get the 4 pieces you need to make your frame for your sign. So as you see, there's 2 shorter pieces, and then you have 2 longer pieces. And that's what makes up the pieces on your sign here. Now with it being a square kit, you can decide whether you want the short piece on the side or on the top and bottom. So for me personally in my shop, I keep the short pieces on the side, and then I have the longer ones on the top and bottom. I just like the look of it, but you could really do it either way. And because it's a square, it really doesn't matter. So you'll get all of those pieces. Now you can see that the wood frame pieces are not finished. They're not painted, they're not stained, nothing. It's just the raw wood that's been cut. So as part of your craft night, what you'll want to do is provide the supplies for the painting or staining. So you'll want sandpaper to go along with it, because you really want to make sure these are pretty smooth to begin with, but where they've been cut, it can be a little rough, and you just want to make sure that the stain or the paint is going to stick really well to your wood. So you want to stain it, or sand it first. So you'll want that for your craft night. And then on your piece of wood for your sign, you can choose to paint it, you can choose to stain it, whichever one you really want. And you can use a ton of different things. There's chalk paint, there's acrylic paint. You could actually use paint that you do your walls with in your house. You can do tons of different things with it. So what I usually do is I just paint mine white. I paint them white or slightly off-white, and then I'll use a black paint for my lettering or my design. But like I said, really the options are endless with this one. And I'm hoping soon to have also available in my shop some vinyl stencils, as well as some different tools and different things you can use to create your own design on your wood sign kit. So I am super excited about this, guys. And part of what makes me really excited about it is that you can use it for so many different things. You can give it away as a gift. You could make some for your own home. You could do it for a birthday party. You know, if you have a son or a daughter or a grandchild who loves to be artistic, this is a great way for them to do something fun and to take something home with them at the end of their birthday party. You could also use it for a girls' night out or a girls' night in, whichever. But you can, get all your girlfriends together, have some snacks, make it a potluck, and just spend a couple hours having fun and doing a project together. You could also use it as a school fundraiser or a Cub Scout fundraiser or church fundraiser. The easiest way to do that is to message me ahead of time to let me know about how many kits you're going to need, and I will offer a discount for you based on the number that you order. And then you take that and you figure out the cost of the paint and the nails to put the frame on and stencils or whatever you're going to be using, and add it all up for a total price per sign, and then charge $5 more for that. And then for every person who signs up to make a sign for that night for your fundraiser, you'll take home an extra $5 towards whatever it is you're earning the money for. So anyways, you have tons of options with these kits, so I am thrilled to put them in my shop and to make them available for you guys. I know a lot of you are crafty at heart and you see all these things on Pinterest and they look like so much fun, and you think, well, I could do that, but I don't have a miter saw, or I don't have the garage space or the workspace to be able to put a ton of these kits together to do something fun with my friends. Well, this is your answer. You'll have the kit totally done and shipped to you. You provide your sandpaper and the nails for putting your sign together, and I'll have a list of what you could use to put your sign together with. So, I will put the link down below as soon as these are available in my shop, but please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're excited about the idea of getting your own craft kit, and let me know in the comments what you would use your craft kit for. Would you keep it for yourself? Would you host a craft night? Would you give them away as gifts? Let me know. I'd be interested to see. So anyways, make sure you follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. You can find me on Facebook and Etsy and Instagram. I'll put the links down below. And I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you again soon. Bye!